Oh, you just put your slobber on my face. Alright. Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be filming a Kim Kardashian inspired. I don't know if I'm going to do like just straight up black. That's probably been done before. But I was looking at my Too Faced shadows. Puppy, come on, that's dirty. You just want these. Okay. It's like, what is happening? The Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer. Yummy. So before foundation, I'm just going to conceal like all the redness that I have on my face with some Benefit Blowing Concealer. It says it's an airbrush concealer. This is in the shade number 2. I'm going to be using one of these fake looking artiste brushes. Whoa, okay. I don't know why I haven't been using this. I think I used it one time for my under eyes and it wasn't the shade and I just forgot about it. Because, look, you guys. And these brushes usually work for like only like making the contour line. These don't really work for like blending stuff out. Or like for foundation, this doesn't work. The YSL little sample thing. Still testing it out. Stipple that on with the e.l.f. pointed foundation brush. Pointed, perfect. I'm just gonna dot it on first so I don't get like germs up in there. I'm putting a lot on this time because I don't know what's going on. There's no way everybody's like trying to make people go buy a $100 foundation. I think I'm gonna smooth it out with this brush. See how this brush works? No, I'm just gonna use Clairsonic. You'll see my next one without stuff. Since we're not gonna do much on the eye except for the wing, I'm gonna use this as my primer. I'm starting to get a hang of like making it not tickle my face. Cause guys, that last one, wow, okay, that looks good. Maybe it was the primer last time. I think I used the e.l.f. primer last time. It was like, bitch, we're expensive. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte. Of course, you guys already know. Got it in the shade light. I should have got light medium, but it looked like my freaking foundation shade, so I didn't want to. Dang, this has like a lot coming out with one little thing that you're just like, and I don't think people be dipping twice. Like, how I don't know if I can use the Clairsonic. I'm gonna try. I have my little Real Technique sponge line. Wow, this thing just like airbrushes through. Your skin has to be like on top of its game. Like my texture, it's not for my textured skin because it goes on to like airbrush, but it don't look airbrushed on my textured skin. It looks like I tried really hard. Okay, I actually have this little thing. Wayne Goss said that it's like $2 for these sponges. He said this is the best. I'm gonna try this right in our corner area that they blend out. See, look, and just so you know I'm not lying, look. All I did was blend it out and it's already creasing. You see that? I didn't even say about it. We haven't even left yet. I don't know, you guys. I don't think it's worth $26. I think if you're gonna spend that much money, you might as well get the It Cosmetics. I'm gonna be setting my under eyes with this e.l.f. finishing powder in the shade ShareAlike. Me and my white shit. Oh fuck. No, you're not right. Just gonna buff a little bit. Last time I wore this, I gave it a bad review. This is already looking nice. I'm just gonna put that on my eyes too. Wow. Okay, Elle. Guys, scheme with my NYX bronzer. I'm actually gonna go pretty light. She was obviously doing an extreme glam in this photo. The e.l.f. liquid lipsticks, they just made some metallic ones also. I'm like, come on. But I hate how all the shades are like shades that, you know, some people that buy everything already have. Like, I already have the shades they came out with because I love metallic colors. But they just came out with like a rose gold, basic, gold. And you're just like, everybody already made that. I just don't understand why they're wasting like of course some people are still gonna buy it. Okay, they got money to buy it, but I feel like it should be towards all their customers for the long run, you know? I think that's good. I hate wearing like little bronzer like this. I'm gone. But I need to calm it down. Yeah, girl. Does not have self-control when it comes to bronzer. Anybody else have a problem with their wig starting to like go away and you're like, where are you going? You can't clock out yet. Sit the fuck down. So I'm just gonna put the highlighter on now since it's broken. I don't want to make a mess after I'm done. This is my Wet n Wild. My Wet n Wild destroyed. I don't even want to talk about it, okay? Ooh. And I went to the store to buy another one. And they didn't have my shade. This is the one I like. My son is being bad. I'm 35. Should I put him on boot camp? Just kidding. I never do that. People are horrible. Plus, why not? Can you guys imagine being like a Kardashian just for like an hour? Like imagine they don't have to do certain stuff that we have to do every single day. Like actually work hard. No shade. Manny MUA, like, are you serious? When he said that, my job is just, like, it's a job. Like, okay, YouTube's a job. Okay. Whatever you say. Like, it's a job, but to an extent. You post 1 or 2 videos a week, it's not really a job. I post videos and I still have a full-time job. Like, I don't see what you're getting at. I'm using the Ico, sorry, I'm like, I hate. When I saw that tweet, I was like, are you sure? Because I do videos, and just because you have a whole bunch of materials and stuff doesn't mean putting everything together and getting ready like isn't the same as yours, or editing. You have a much better system than mine, and mine takes forever to do. So that's just my opinion. She has it starting from right there from the inner corner. So to do that, you just use the tip and lightly place it down first so it makes the mark. That's how I do it. I don't know if you guys care, I'm just letting y'all know what I'm doing. Wow, I think this actually just ran out while I'm using it. Great. use my e.l.f. one because I'm not just gonna stop the video and go buy another Ico because that is expensive. I think it's like $18 for the eyeliner. But it's good. When it's like all walking, it's good. I like that one. I forgot to put blush on, of course. F it. I was gonna use my e.l.f. cream blush. So I'm using my 35N palette because no human being needs more than one Morphe palette, so I'm not gonna do that much. Just to give some crease going on. Okay, see? 2 seconds. There. These are my BH small brushes from Amazon. I'm gonna put on some allllll. I'm gonna try smudging it out with this e.l.f. pencil. This is the time to fill in any gaps if you're wearing any falsies. If you're gonna wear falsies, to fill in your gaps with that same black shadow. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Unstoppable eyeliner. I know that this one doesn't bleed. I'm just trying to make sure that it's this one because I know the Too Faced one bleeds like crazy. That's my most pigmented one, is that Too Faced one. Like, it's super black. You could use it to write a whole paragraph on your face. So when you do this, you want to connect it with your outer, just so the smokiness is like connected to the rest of your eye. And then I don't want to put it in the center because I'm gonna put a little bit of highlight. I'm gonna lower it. I'm not gonna put it like right here, like regular. It's so speed through this part. When I use this, I just try to distribute the product. Just make sure they all get wet. I don't like to brush on it, so I always have to use my own brush. The Anastasia gloss in Socialite. I don't really care if it matches with my hoodie or not. If you guys do, I'm sorry. Guys, look how pigmented this shit smells like milk. Okay, really? Look how pigmented that is. It's a gloss. If it wears like all day, most definitely gonna like fill you in before the end of the video. Wow, guys, and that was one pull. I'm gonna keep going with the one pull. What the one dip, one take out, whatever. With that in the corner highlight. Well, yo, what's up with Too Faced, yo? That shit just came out. I think you should just stay with this simple, like, same color as my highlighter. Right in that little area where we did not put the little eyeliner. Just to see how that looks like right inside. Of course, because we're so used to never highlight, it just cannot be there. So I'm putting these lashes back, sadly. I need to get some Hot Fuzz lash glue. It's because I was using this duo glue. I don't think it's good enough for such a thick lash. So we'll use it next time. But for now, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed me trying to recreate this look, even though the look is nowhere near it. Don't forget to subscribe down below before you